Good day, sir. Today I will report about what makes climate change. Climate change or global warming is primarily caused by the enhanced greenhouse effect. This effect is a natural process where certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat from the sun, keeping the planet warm enough to support life. However, human activities have significantly increased the concentration of these greenhouse gases, leading to a more intense greenhouse effect from the warming planet. There are three causes of factor of climate change. Climate change or global warming happens because of the enhanced greenhouse effect. Normally, greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun to keep our earth warm. Without this, dili ta mabuhi. Pero tungod sa human activities, daghan na kayong greenhouse gases nga gipagawa sa atmosphere. This makes the earth warm than usual, causing climate change. So first is greenhouse gas emission. Burning fossil fuels, the combustions of coal, oil, and natural gas for electricity generation, transportation, and industrial process releases large amounts of carbon dioxide, CO2, a potent greenhouse gas. This is single larger contributor to human-caused climate change. So we have greenhouse gas emissions. The biggest reason is burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas for electricity, transportation, and factories. This releases a lot of carbon dioxide or CO2, which is the main cause of human-made climate change. Second is deforestation. Trees absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Cutting down forests reduce the planet's capacity to absorb CO2, leaving more in the atmosphere to contribute to the greenhouse effect. Forest fires, often exacerbated by climate change itself, for the release store carbon. Trees are very important kay sila ang nag-absorb sa CO2. Pero kung putlo nato ang mga forest, mas daghan CO2 ang magpabilin sa atmosphere. Forest fires also release stored carbon, which make it worse. Another factor is agriculture. Agricultural practices, particularly livestock farming, release methane, CH4, and nitrous oxide, N2O, both powerful greenhouse gases. Rice cultivation also contributes the methane emissions. Livestock farming like baka and baboy produces methane and nitrous oxide. These are stronger greenhouse gases than CO2. Even rice fields produce methane. And lastly, industrial processes. Certain industrial activities such as cement production and the manufacturing of some chemicals release greenhouse gases directly into the atmosphere. So industrial processes also add to the problem. For example, when producing cement or chemicals, factories directly release greenhouse gases into the air. So the second is feedback loops. Feedback loops increases greenhouse effect, triggers several feedback loops that accelerate climate change. First is melting ice and snow, and as temperatures rise, ice and snow melt, reducing the Earth's albedo reflectivity. This means less sunlight is reflected ejected back into space, leading to further far warming. These processes that makes climate change even faster. Example, melting ice and snow. If the ice melts, less sunlight is reflected back to space and it's instead mas daghan init ang mosulod sa Earth. This causes even more warming. Also, change in ocean currents. When oceans becomes warmer, it can disturb currents then move heat around the world. This leads to stronger typhoons, unpredictable weather, and sometimes extreme drought or flooding. So ang ikatulo is natural factor. While human activities are the dominant driver of current climate change, natural is role. Volcanic eruption and social variability. Ang ikaduha day ato sir is solar variability. So there are natural factors. Volcanic eruption release gases and particles that can affect the climate. Pero usually, short-term ra ni sila compared sa human emissions. Another factor is solar variability. The sun's energy sometimes change, which can affect temperature. Pero scientists found out nga dili enough ni siya to explain the rapid warming we see today. Meaning, human activity gyud ang main cause of climate change. So, climate change mainly come from human activities, burning fuels, cutting trees, farming, and industries. Feedback loops make it worse, and natural factor have only a small. Murata akong report, sir. Thank you.